So how does a whole house fan work? A whole house fan is a large fan that gets installed in your attic space. It is typically installed in the central part of the home so that it can draw air through all the areas of the house. In the past, whole house fans were mounted into beams directly above the vented opening, causing them to be excessively loud. Our QuietCool whole house fans are suspended in the rafters, and they use a patented ducted system and damper box to ensure whisper quiet performance. Operating a whole house fan is easy. Open a few windows in the rooms that you desire to pull the breeze through. If you are seeking to cool your home, then this will only be effective during the cooler hours of the early morning and evening. When you turn on the fan, it draws the fresh outdoor air inside through your windows, up into your attic, and out your attic vents, cooling and ventilating your home and attic. When you wake up the next day, the thermal mass of your home and attic will be the same temperature as outside. The science behind whole house fans and thermal mass cooling is simple. Use the cooler, readily available outdoor air to ventilate and exhaust all of the heat in your home and attic. By doing so, you cool the thermal mass of your home as opposed to only cooling the ambient air that is getting recycled with an air conditioner. When turning off a whole house fan, be sure to shut your windows and close your blinds or shades before the heat of the day returns. Your house will begin the day pre-cooled, taking much longer to heat up, and it will prevent your AC from working as hard and as often. Almost everywhere in the US, there's a 30 to 50 degree temperature swing between day and night. This is what allows QuietCool to be so effective. This is also the key factor in operating a whole house fan correctly. It must be cooler outside than it is inside, so mornings or evenings are best. You might also think your climate has too much humidity, but that peak of humidity happens during morning to midday, and in the afternoon humidity drops significantly. And that is the best time to run your whole house fan. With QuietCool, having a cooler home in the hot temperatures of summer is possible. Beyond cooling, a whole house fan is also an amazing appliance for indoor air quality as well. If you need to expel airborne annoyances, toxins, viruses, and odors trapped in your home, a whole house fan is the perfect solution. A QuietCool whole house fan can provide complete air exchanges every 3 to 4 minutes. This makes fresh, healthy air available any time of year. Spring, summer, fall, or winter, ventilation is quick and effective with a QuietCool whole house fan. If you're interested in the proper way to use your QuietCool, be sure to watch our How to Use a Whole House Fan video.